this room yet, so I don't really know what they have. You want to start that way or this way? Ooh. Not too much Pokemon, but a lot of like comics and really cool stuff. Slide in here a little bit as we look for Pokemon cards. Right, right. Oh, here we go. It's a lot of graded stuff. That's fire.
Yeah, but I don't want to slide.
No, I know you don't want subs. What are you doing? I'm good. A lot of sealed you got. Nice. I don't know if I want sealed. I don't know if I want to gamble. But you got a lot. You got a lot of sealed stuff. I'm more interested in the UPCs. How much you got for the prismatic UPC?
Prismatic UPC?
Yeah.
The market's like 260. I would do like 230.
Take trades?
Potentially.
Okay. Okay, I'll be back.
What about celebrations?
Celebrations? I would have to double check it.
Okay. All right, no problem. We're just doing our rounds. We're gonna come back. Okay, so a lot of high-end, like graded, and a lot of sealed product, but not a lot of like singles raw. You know what he had like a showcase, but like not a big showcase. You think so? I hope it's not the only Pokemon vendor in here. A lot of comics, man. That's nice. He's got like a case over there. There's like packs and cases over there. Good. How are you? What you got? What you got? Oh, nice. Yes, I'm looking at that. Want to zoom in? That's a Japanese one, right?
Yes, sir.
Do you know how much this is?
It's like
40 bucks. It's like around the same price as the English.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Exactly. Yeah. Which you thought would be different because you actually have to pull that one.
I like that one a little bit more. I'm not gonna lie, the texture
You
is
see the flames in the letters.
very nice.
Hit the light right.
Yeah, hit the light right. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, that's fire.
Give me the camera working.
Here. Nice.
Yeah. I can do that for $3. Yeah.
Hell yeah. There you go. How much for the Fusion Strike box?
Fusion Strike. So fair warning.
Yeah.
It's got that hole on there.
Okay. So new prices?
Market's at $240 if it was like super clean.
Yeah.
I have it at $180.
180. You take trades?
I do.
Okay. Would you rather singles, raw singles? I'm assuming.
Yeah.
Okay.
Check that out.
Okay. Partially only because I've never opened a Fusion Strike ETB.
You gonna go for it?
I might. We're doing our rounds. We're checking to see what people have. So that guy had a lot of sealed, but I'm more interested in that than I am of his stuff. I appreciate you. Thank you. Nice stuff, man. Nice stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the perfect spot for the wife right here. Look. Oh, nice. It's got like the Japanese Surging Sparks 95. It's not bad. It's got cool like Yu-Gi-Oh, Pokemon, stamped cards, some graded CGC. Nice. I mean, there's literally a plethora of everything. Like you got boxes, sports, comics, toys. Probably the cleanest setup right here. Look at this, just boxes, sports, Pokemon. Nice. How are you?
Good. How you guys doing?
I'm good. Just taking a look at all your goodies that you got. How much do you have for the Mega Dream right here?
120.
120? That's not bad. That's not bad. What have you had the most luck with opening?
0 because I don't know.
Okay, smart guy. Smart guy. I appreciate you.
But the Mega Dream have been pretty popular.
Yes, I agree. He's got Mega Dream, 120.
120.
Yeah.
Japanese or English? English isn't out yet.
English isn't out yet. It's right here. He's got 2 of them.
Yeah.
But he also got good packs too. I'm like interested, maybe grabbing one pack.
Yeah, I'm interested in Mega Dream, just not for 120.
Yeah. I don't mind the 120 first. That's pretty cool. He's got like literally everything. He's got Mega Evolutions, both of them. He's got black and white. He's got Phantasmal and Japanese. That's pretty. That's cool. You know what I mean?
What do you think?
I don't know.
UPC and POVs.
If this is full, I might try to grab a pack.
151.
Probably expensive.
Oh, you got singles.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I might
grab the heavier ones.
Yeah, exactly. He said, "Grab the heavier ones."
You know I'm gonna pull the pack, man.
Nice.
You got Mama over here.
Yeah. No. We're gonna start buying. It just takes. Yeah, it takes. Nice. It just takes the right person, you know. I just don't want to blow my whole like the wad of cash on nonsense, you know.